Python enum for Boolean variable. I'm using class enum in order to create a variable with selected members. The main reason is to enable other developers in my team to use the same convention by selecting one of several permitted members per variable. I would like to create a Boolean variable in the same way, enabling other developers to select either true or false. Is it possible to define an enum which will receive true-false options? Is there any better alternative? The following options don't work. Boolean underscore enum equals enum Boolean underscore enum, true false, Boolean underscore enum equals enum Boolean underscore enum, true false.
Check out the documentation of this API, this URL. If you just specify true-false for the names parameter, they will be assigned automatic enumerated values, 1, 2, which is not what you want. And of course you can't just send true-false without it being a string argument for the names parameter. So what you want is one of the options that allow you to specify name and value, such as the above. Edit. When defined as above, the enum elements aren't accessible by boolean underscore enum.true, but they are accessible by boolean underscore enum true or boolean underscore enum true. To avoid this issue, the field names can be changed and defined as, then accessed as boolean underscore enum.true or boolean underscore enum true or boolean underscore enum true.
Nowadays, Python 3.6+, this could be much more conveniently achieved by using enum.flag. An added benefit of enum.flag over enum.enum is that it supports, and is closed under, bitwise operators, and comma vertical bar comma tilde, from the get-go. For more information see this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.